Today, we are going to school event of Rian and Samantha because today is their career guidance and then they're going to do parade and then they're going to dance and then there's some presentation. There's gonna be a best in career guidance outfit, courses and careers that students wants to be in the future. So good morning guys. So today we are going to school event of Rian and Samantha because today is their career guidance and then they're going to do parade and then they're going to dance and then there's some presentation and also there's gonna be a best in career guidance outfit. So Rian is gonna be a businesswoman attire and then Samantha is going to be a nurse. If you want to see the full videos, stay tuned in this vlog. See ya! Here goes na. Cutie patuti! Cutie patuti!
Ano naman ko si Michi ane ay?
Ako si Michi. I love you. I love you. I love you mo.
Adju. Adju.
Iligo. I love you.
I love you. Wailigo.
Hi. Ano din na? Oo. Ano din na? Let's go. Medical courses. Ay, nasa Samantha. Sam! Ay! Educators. Farmers. Politicians. Athletes. Entertainers. Aviators. Ka-cute sa aviators oy. Mga inahan naman dahil ni.
Entertainers! So, unya na lang ikahuman sa program. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, sige. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Okay. Naos sa stage. Oh. Nagdagdag sanggot yun. So, kanin, magdala mo kami sa mga customer. Oh, smile! Ako lang dito. 5. Teresa! Huwag napit natin. Huwag isay chances na niya. Oh. Oh, lalapit. Attorney or call sa manok. Abogado? Oh, seafarers. Smile, Blake. Up. Workers daw ni. Lagyo, sino. Dagko na ba kahit silver ng mga MVP? Oo nga si Ay. Pagkakot itong isuot. O, ipag- Tanaw-tanawa na sa kanang picture sa inyong mga anak. Diba? Okay, next. Okay, next. Grade 5. Tahon. Doon na ni Ma'am Aloy. Sayang inyong attendance. 3, 2, 1. Nao. Sa mga missionaries? Oh, pastor. Oh, engineer. Okay, now, next by si Ma'am Giselle. Kaya nakita na dyan ang dagrang maestra. Wala. Daog na dyan. Kaya ipakaon nyo ng mga teachers. Oh, siksi kay Serena, oh. Oh, masunod yun ang may sakit amin. Kaya magpa-picture ta karon. Hindi ka human. At tayo karon para sulit. Pusing! Okay, next! Okay, so model ang presentation sa mga awardees.
Wow, nice. Mas nice siya, oh. Chanan! Red again. Thank you so much. Nindot siya, oh. Tara! Oh, naku, tops white. Oh.
Para sila.
Oh, buro na.
Wala
Ano?
ko ako alam eh.
Ma, kunin sa kulang. Thank you so much. I think these are all mine, Pia. Okay?
Lo, Paris na po. Lo, nindutan na, oy.
Ano po do? Ah! See-through. Pia, turn na, Pia. Milano.
Mantag tolo, wala kang isa. Na, cute.
Ngayon po, Pia.
Mo aguro ni mami.
Kariyan ni Nana.
Mana po.
Pen.
Mo ang.
Ula lagi. Ula. Ay, ano ba sa ganan ko, ane? What is this one?
Mo lagi tanan mami wala ako.
Ako agad tanan. Kaya guni mo ne? You want this one, mama? Ako atanan?
Why
Ako ano lang mo?
Gay po ko isa tita.
You want terno also?
Yes.
Or kana kang yan. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!